Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. So if you're visiting Singapore and wondering how to use the MRT, also known as the Mass Rapid Transit System, you are in the right place. So today I will take you step by step through a simple journey from Bencoolen Station to Newton Station. So right now we are in the entrance of the Bencoolen Station, which is in the downtown line. So first up, you have to identify your destination in Google Maps and put your destination in the Google Maps, and it will show you which train to take. So that is the easiest way, I would say, and it will also have the which gate to use to reach the station. So once you enter the station, just follow the sign MRT. You will find a lot of signs MRT, and just take the escalator. So this Bencoolen station is one of the largest underground station in Singapore. Like, the station is at the -6th floor, so you have to take a lot of escalators. So we have reached the floor where the ticketing center is there, and just follow the sign MRT. Oops, one more escalator again, even to reach the passenger services floor. So just follow the symbol MRT all the way. You don't have to you don't have to worry about anything else. So finally, we have reached the ticketing counter. So in Singapore MRT, there are two ways you can take the ticket. One way is you can get the ticket with the cash or card directly from the ticketing services counter, and the easiest way is to get SD Explore card from Singapore Changi Airport. I will put up the link from where you can buy this when you arrive at Changi Airport. So you will find this ticketing kiosks in all the MRT stations, and you have to identify the counter which supports cash, and you have to just place your card on this machine, and that's it. It will show you the balance amount, and if you want, you can use the cash to recharge. Do note that only the Singapore credit cards are supported. So if you are coming with an international credit card, it will not be supported, and only cash is supported. So once your card is valid, you just have to head to the entrance. So the left lane is always a priority lane. Try to avoid using it because it is only for people who have some health issues. So just go in there and tap in the card, and yes, the gate will open. And then just go straight and follow the signboard. Since Bencoolen is very big in station, so I have to take another 4 escalators to reach the platform. So I will be taking the lift today because -6, it takes around 5 minutes to 10 minutes to take the escalators. So yeah, here you can see the downtown line in the board, and you can just take the lift. So we have got down, and you can see there are two platforms. So you have to go to this board. This digital board will have so which side will have the which line. So you have to identify your station, and just check which line goes through the station you want to reach, and just take that side. So our train has arrived, and we are boarded in. Always keep an eye on the digital board in front of the gate. It will show you the next station, so you don't miss out your actual destination. So finally we have reached the destination. The destination is Newton today. So we are going to the Newton Harker Street. So let me explain you how to exit the station. So you have to find the way out board first. And once you find the way out board, take your mobile phone and just exit and type your destination. Say if it is Newton MRT Center, type an exit, and here it says exit via B. So in the Google Maps you can see exit via B, and so in the platform just check for exit via B. Yes, you can see the B here, so you just follow the sign to B. It will be in all the boards, you can find the B is pointed. So you just follow the sign B in the MRT station. So Newton is one of the most crowded stations because the hawker center is famous. Also, it's inside the main city, and this is one of the tallest elevators I have seen in Singapore. So in Singapore, always do mind that in escalators try to keep your left, because the right side is for people who are running and who are in a hurry. So always try to keep your left. So we reach the passenger services floor, and just like how you enter, just tap out the card to exit, and do mind that you avoid the priority services card and just tap out. And again, there you did see the sign B, so that just follow the sign. You have to go to B. And one more board, you can see the sign B, it is towards the left, so let's turn left. Sorry, it was too crowded, so I couldn't take it further. So in this platform you can see the ATM stores, and on the right side you can also see the convenience store 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is a very famous convenience store in Singapore and Japan. So ATM and convenience stores are often found in the passenger services floor. And if you want a toilet, that is, our restroom is also available on the same floor. I will just show you where it is. So your exit B sign is there, and here you also see the sign for toilet. So if you want to go for toilet, you will also see the signage here, and exit B is towards straight. So we just go there, exit B. Yeah, again you can see the exit B, and take the escalator. So this is another steep elevator. I think it is because of height and the depth at which the MRT is there. The escalators looks like so tall. So yeah, we reached our spot, and in the board you can see the Newton Hawker Food Center is at the left. So yes, we have arrived to our destination, and this is a pretty easy way to use Singapore MRT. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.